How to play Special Forces Group 2 multiplayer with friends offline. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to play Special Forces Group 2 multiplayer offline with your friends using a local Wi-Fi network. It's super easy and you don't even need an internet connection. Let's get started. What you need: each player must have Special Forces Group 2 installed on their phone or tablet. All devices must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Step 1. Create a server. Open the game on the host device. Tap on LAN with Wi-Fi. Then tap Create Server. Choose the map and game mode you want. Tap Start to launch the game. Now, just wait inside the match for your friends to join. Step 2. On each friend's device, open the game. Go to LAN with Wi-Fi as well. They should see server appear on the screen. Tap on the server name to join the game instantly. Troubleshooting tips: if your friends don't see the server, make sure all devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot. You can also use one phone to create a hotspot and have everyone connected. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to play Special Forces Group 2 multiplayer offline with your friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.